I have good news. And the good news is Christmas, New Year, all the festivities, Thanksgiving is just a few weeks away. Are you like me and you're thinking, what can I make to gift out to my friends, to my loved ones that they will really appreciate? Or you are a hustler and you are thinking, what can I make to sell and make some cool cash in my pocket? And I'm like, don't bother yourself. I am here. The Soul Junkie is here. You are welcome to Soul Junkies, and today's content is going to be about things that you can easily make to gift to friends, loved ones, and family members, or to sell and make some free cool cash. So quickly, let us get on with it. The number one on our list is Bonnet, hair bonnet. Yes, everybody say yes. Really, if you're someone who is very observant, when you do school run, you see people on hair bonnet trying to rush and get to place. That's how useful hair bonnets are to women. It is as useful as making hair itself. Hair bonnet is to protect your hair, and most people just love the fashion sense of it. You can sleep with your hair bonnet depending on what it is made from, and definitely I'm sure a lady will appreciate a gift quickly. And the next one is a tote bag. Have you seen the tote bag? Have you seen people actually carrying bags like this? This is what a tote bag is. It is really trendy. It is something that people will appreciate. You make it in different colors, go to schools to sell. You can make sizes for children, for teenagers, for mothers. I'm very sure you are going to make a good sale. Or you have some that is coming for the holiday and you're just thinking, what would I gift to this person? I'm sure you know that giving her a tote bag is one of the perfect gifts that she will appreciate, or something that people will be ready to spend money on. It is definitely something that you should think about. Hairband. Hairband, very chic. Most hairbands has different design, and I'm sure most hairband are beginner friendly. If you already know how to sew, you already know how to pedal your machine, it is just to follow some of our videos and you will just get it right just on first try. So hairband is definitely something you can gift to someone or you can sell to someone. So please think about it. Hairband is one of our faves, and you are definitely not going to be wasting your time making hairbands. Tulle skirt. Have you seen these little children on tulle skirts? They really look lovely. Make a few and then gift it out. You don't really have to, it doesn't really have to be a big deal. Tulle skirt is something that girls love to wear, mothers love to wear their girls, and you're definitely going to make a sale or be appreciated for the gift of a tulle skirt. You can make this purse something like this, something like a pouch, a purse that you can hold. It is simple and it is something that you would really enjoy sewing. It doesn't take, some of this project doesn't take up to like 10-20 minutes at most. That's if you are even slow. It's so easy and it's so fast, and it's really fun to create. Like when you are gifting out something you made yourself, when you are gifting it out to people, or you are selling it, there's this sense of pride, there's this sense of satisfaction that you get because you made it. It is your creation. Time you get to see that people are really, if you're selling it, people are really becoming acquainted with the things that you create. They are looking forward to, and like anytime they see you, they want to see something new, something nice, something they can copy, or something they can patronize, something they can get for themselves. So think about it. A purse, a small purse that can hold your phone, that can hold your cash when you go to the market, will really be a lovely DIY for you to make and gift, or for you to make and sell. Next one is elastic, the elasticated palazzo, elasticated waist palazzo or shorts. Another perfect DIY on our list is kimono. Wow, is kimono easy to make? Yes, definitely easy to make. It's something that people would appreciate. It's something that people would love. It's something that people would really want to buy. Kimono, if it's well made and it is affordable, it is something that really people will love. Kimono is stylish. It is beautiful. It is versatile. Like, kimono knows nothing about race. You can be white and you enjoy wearing kimono. You can be black and you enjoy wearing kimono. Kimono is stylish and it is very chic. The most important thing that as so DIYs we cannot forget is that it is very easy, very easy to make. It is something you will enjoy making and something you will enjoy gifting out to people, and definitely something you will make cool cash from. Bro, have you seen, did you go on social media and you're just like, this book, I can make it. Why am I buying it for 40k? Why am I buying it for 20k? I can make this dress. So it's something that you can try out, make it and gift it out, make it and sell it. Check this link. It is a simple boo that you can make, something you can try your hands on. We would really love to hear your comments. We really love to hear your own ideas that can help us. Really, it is all about ideas. Did you find today's video interesting? Let us know, so that we can keep giving you more content that will enrich your lives. Together we grow. Like I always say, practice makes perfect. Scroll over my page and see if any of this content resonates with you, so you can learn and also get better in the DIY craft. We are not perfect here. We are learners. We keep learning and updating and upgrading our skills. So we'll be in the comment section if you have any idea. No idea is too small. If you have even the smallest idea that we can make, things that we can make and enrich ourselves, things that we can sew to sell or to gift to our loved ones, please don't keep it to yourself. We are a family here and we'll be so glad to hear your views. We will be so glad to hear from you. So guys, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe. So put on your notification bell so that for every post you'll be the first to know. Subscribe, share, please. We definitely want to hear from you. Thank you. Bye.